Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all Shehnaaz Gill weight loss diet plan. Now we have all seen that after Big Boss, she achieved a massive weight loss transformation and was able to lose 12 kilos during the lockdown period. So today I'll be sharing with you all her secret diet plan for weight loss, and along with that I'll be giving you lots and lots of options for your breakfast, lunch and dinner. With the help of this diet plan, you'll be able to lose 12 kgs very fast. Recently, my lots of clients followed this diet plan for weight loss and they were able to see great weight loss results happening. And so can you. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can mail me at eatmorelosmore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. Without any delay, let's get started with Shehnaaz Gill weight loss diet plan. Start with the early morning drink. Early morning empty stomach, she prefers to take apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. Now all you have to do is add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water. Mix it well and have it empty stomach. Now this water tends to reduce your blood sugar levels and as well as helps with insulin resistance, and along with that helps to detoxify your system early in the morning empty stomach. Let's proceed towards your breakfast. For breakfast, she likes to have missi roti. Now you can also have missi roti. Now here's the recipe. It's very easy to prepare. All I have done in this is to prepare missi roti, I have used here barley flour. Now you can use normal wheat flour also, but I prefer to take a very healthy option instead of wheat flour. So barley flour, that is jaw flour, you can take to prepare this missi roti. Along with this, you can even add some besan. To this, I've added some chopped onions, some green chilies and some coriander fresh. Along with this, I'll be adding lots and lots of spices to make it more delicious. You can add spices according to your own preferences. I've added salt, black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder, red chili powder for taste, and I've kneaded the dough with water. Once the dough is kneaded with water, all you have to do is just roti of this flour, but make sure you do not fry this on the pan. All we have to do is just dry roast it on the pan, and once it's on the plate, we'll add 1 teaspoon of desi ghee over it. Prefer desi ghee made with cow's milk, and along with this you can even have 1 good full bowl of curd. Make sure you do not fry the paratha on the pan. This is the recipe of missi roti. You can have 1 good missi roti. Along with this, you can have 1 good cup of green tea also if you prefer that, or you can skip it also. This is what Shehnaaz Gill prefers to have for her weight loss breakfast. Now apart from this, I'll be giving you another option for your weight loss breakfast, that will be oatmeal with fruits. So we prefer to start our day with fruits. You can prepare this recipe in a very healthy form. It's gluten-free in nature and very delicious. The complete recipe is already up on my channel. You can follow it, you can check the recipe, and it's very easy to prepare. Incorporates lots and lots of fruits, and along with that is very healthy. These are the 2 options for your weight loss breakfast. Now let's proceed towards your mid-morning snack. For mid-morning snack, I'll be giving you 2 options. The first one is 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea if you like that, or if you cannot have this, then you can even have lassi or chas. But we'll make sure to add no salt in the lassi. We'll season the lassi with roasted jeera powder, black pepper powder, and along with that you can also add some fresh mint leaves. But make sure to add no table salt to this. Towards your lunch. For lunch, I'll be giving you 2 options. The first one is Shehnaaz Gill prefers to have a good full bowl of yellow moong dal for her lunch along with rice. Now you can prepare a very healthy option of rice. You can have 100 grams of cooked brown rice along with 1 good full bowl of yellow moong dal. Along with that, do not forget to have a good full bowl of salad and curd as well. So this will be your Shehnaaz Gill's lunch option for weight loss. Now second option can be, you can instead of yellow moong dal, you can even substitute it with rajma or white chana. Will give you good protein content also, and as well as keep you fuller also. But make sure you have 100 grams of cooked brown rice for your lunch along with salad and curd. Now let's proceed towards your mid-evening snack. For mid-evening snack, you can have tea or coffee as per your own choice. If you're a tea lover, then you can have tea or coffee as per your own choice. But make sure to add no sugar to this, and along with that you can even have 30 grams of roasted makhanas. But make sure to add no table salt to this along with your tea or coffee. Season it with black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder, and instead of that, no other spice to be added. A quick tip that I would like to give you all is, if you feel hungry in between your meals anytime, you can always carry 5 to 10 soaked almonds with you along with 2 soaked walnuts and even 1 anjeer. This will help you to stay satiated, and along with that, you will not feel hungry in between your meals. Now let's proceed towards your dinner. For dinner, I'll be giving you two options. Now Shehnaaz Gill prefers to have her dinner before 7 p.m. for which she prefers to have grilled vegetables. Now for grilled vegetables, the recipe is already upon my channel. For this recipe, I have used here a grilling pan. In this, I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and I've added lots and lots of colorful vegetables to this. I've added mushrooms, onions, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and along with this, you can even add 50 grams of chicken if you're a chicken or non-veg lover. Else, you can definitely skip it. Grill the vegetables for at least 5-10 minutes. And for seasoning, I'll be using here black pepper powder, lemon juice, oregano, chili flakes, but instead of that I'll be not adding any kind of salt. So these will be only my seasoning options. We'll not be adding any kind of salt in the dinner. Some hunker to this if you feel so. This will be your dinner option. You can have a good full bowl of it. It is very fulfilling and definitely will help you lose weight fast very easily. Second option for dinner that I would like to give you is paneer salad. In this salad, we'll be using 50 grams of grilled or raw paneer as per your own choice. In this salad, you can add lots and lots of options: cucumber, tomato, onion, lettuce, whatever is freshly available with you and is seasonal. Along with this, we'll be adding 50 grams of grilled or raw paneer to the salad. For seasoning, again, we'll be using black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder, oregano, chili flakes, and no table salt at all. You can also use lemon juice and 1-2 teaspoons of hunker as well for seasoning and for dressing. This will be your option for weight loss dinner, and definitely we will not be skipping our bedtime drink, which is very important to boost your metabolism and also to keep you hydrated long time. Before bedtime, we'll be adding a cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. If not chamomile tea, then you can also substitute this with ajwain tea or jeera tea. Helps to get rid of all the water retention, bloating, and you'll be able to see a much lower number on the scale next morning. With the help of the START plan, you'll be able to lose 12 kgs very fast, but make sure to stay hydrated along with the START plan. You'll be drinking 3 to 4 liters of normal room temperature water. Hydration is the key for weight loss, do not forget it. Shehnaaz Gill was able to achieve her weight loss target with a healthy lifestyle and along with that eating proper nutritious food without starving herself, which is very important for weight loss. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com and WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation and see major transformation happening for your body as well. Do not forget to like this video, comment below if you have any queries, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram. My handle is Eat More Lose More. You can follow me. The link is given in the description box below as well, where I share what I eat in a day, my clients' everyday transformations and their meal plans as well. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.